Hello? What you doing? Wanna dance? You're funny. Bye-bye. 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 What? Bye-bye.
Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. देखिए जरा सिनेमा था देखिए
Hi, Kiwi.
Are you a good boy?
Are you a good boy? You are a good boy.
Give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Are you a good boy?
You're a good boy.
Are you a good boy?
Yeah, you are.
Hello, kids. How are you? I'm so happy to come to you through this video again. So, hi. Hi, kids. Okay, so look where I am today. This morning, okay, Thursday, I am here from very high, very high altitude today. So I'm going to start reading class, okay? I'm going to give you reading class today from this place. Alright, but let's start first. Alright, kids, take your book, okay? Your reading rocket book, okay? And right, open your book on page 45, alright? On this part, unit 10, okay? Yes, alright. So, then on this one here. So, the reading of today, the name is Yes, like you saw in the video at the beginning of this class, right? The parrot who knew his address. Interesting. Okay, let's see what it is. But first, let's do a pre-reading. Alright, let's start. Warm up, kids. Look at the photo below and talk about parrots. Okay? So, do you see this? Okay? These two parrots here, kids? Yes. Alright. Look at this. Alright. On this. Have you ever seen a talking parrot? Have you? I have. 2. What do you think the parrot is saying in the picture? What do you think? And it's moving like this. Okay. Number 3. Which animal is smarter? Okay. A parrot or a dog? Why do you think so? Okay. You know what? What do I think it's? I think cats are more intelligent and smarter than parrots and dogs. And sometimes smarter than some humans, kids. Okay, alright. So now, let's start with this. Okay, and you see on letter B on your page here, okay, this part. Alright, here. Okay, this. New words. Write the word next to its definition or the picture. Use the words in bold from the story on the next page. Okay, but before this, kids, we are going to read this story. Alright? Okay, let's listen to this now. Okay.
Unit 10.
The parrot who knew his address. In Japan in May of 2008, a talking parrot called Yosuke flew away from home and couldn't get back. Luckily, the parrot knew its own address. Yosuke is an African gray parrot. He was rescued by the police from a neighbor's roof in the city of Nagiriyama, near Tokyo, and taken back to the police station. Police officer Umura was in charge of the bird. He decided to take Yosuke to an animal hospital so he could be cared for. Meanwhile, Officer Umura worked to find the bird's owners. After a few days at the animal hospital, Yosuke started talking to the vet. I'm Mr. Yosuke Nakamura, the bird said. The parrot also provided his full home address and even made the hospital staff laugh by singing songs. Officer Umura checked the address and found that a Nakamura family really lived there. So he told them where Yosuke was. The Nakamura family was very happy. They told Mr. Umura the story of how they taught the bird its name and address for about 2 years. Only one mystery was unanswered. Why wasn't Yosuke happy to talk to the police? I tried to be friendly and I talked to him, but he was silent, Officer Umura said. The Nakamura family said they couldn't explain it.
Talking parrots, talking parrots, talking parrots. Wow, talking parrots. Okay, so you see? Did you hear? Did you listen to the audio track, kids? Yes, there are talking parrots. You know? And do you know something, kids? Some years ago, I knew about a parrot. It was a green old parrot. And do you know how old this parrot was? The time when I met this parrot? It was 80 years old. Wow, can you imagine this, kids? Yes, it was a parrot which was 80 years old. Yes, you know something, kids? Parrots can live for many years and they get really old and can live for a long time. They have a very long life expectancy, kids. Yes, sometimes, you know, the parrot's owners die and the parrots continue living. Isn't it that strange? Okay, now after this, kids, let's go to, on the same page, on the page 46, so on this part, after the reading, do you see, kids, the words involved? This one here. Okay, this is your vocabulary. Okay, so alright, now listen to me and repeat. Okay, first, address, roof, owner, vet, friendly, silent. Now with these words, kids, let's get back to page 45, okay, at the beginning of this lesson, and match the words, okay, with this. Alright, so you know what to do, kids. Alright, okay, so sorry, it's kind of difficult to teach from this place, you know. Ooh, and it's cold today, you know. Do you see the day, kids? It's very sunny, but it's cold. Alright, so now after matching these words on page 45, okay, let's move to page 47, okay, on this part, number 2, okay, here, alright, during reading. Okay, so you know what to do, kids. Alright, main idea. Alright, circle the main idea of the story. Alright, like A, how clever parrots are. B, what parrots can say. C, all about parrots in Japan. D, how an escaped parrot returned to home. Okay, which one do you think it is? I think it's very easy to know. Which one? Which letter? V. Yes, kids, that's the correct answer. Good. Okay, so now after this, let's go to letter B, okay, and complete this part, alright? Fill in the blanks. So you know how to do this. And, okay, so let's go to page 48. All right, on the details. Circle the correct answer. All right, so there is a question incorrect, and circle the correct answer, kids. So you know what to do. On this, and then number 3 after reading. Okay, this part here. Okay, you see? Good. Okay, word practice. Choose and complete the sentence. All right, fill in the blanks again. All right, the words are. Okay, let's listen to this and repeat, please. All right, address, roof, vet, friendly, owner, silent. Okay, and then after completing this part, kids, go to here, discussion. All right, you can talk about this with your parents. All right, and okay, we've finished for today. Okay, we've finished class, kids. Oh, but don't forget to work on your workbook too. All right, so on this part here, let's get to page 26 and 27. Okay, of your Reading Rocket workbook. Okay, all right. Okay, pages 25, 26 and 27, and then we have already gotten to half of the workbook too. Okay, lessons. All right, so complete pages 28 and 29. All right, which is a review from units, from the beginning, from unit 5, to from unit 6 to unit 10. Okay, all right. So, and after this, kids, okay, we're done. All right. So, thank you very much for watching this video. And to have the opportunity to give me the opportunity to go to you through this video. All right. So, but there's something I need to talk about too. All right. So, something very different. Okay. So, pay attention, kids. So delicious cupcakes I have here, kids, for you. Yes. And do you know why? Because, kids, it's June and we have guests. We have birthdays. So now I want to wish all the best for this new year to Ali Padilla, Michelle Villate Hernandez, and Angel Chavez, right? Because they are celebrating their birthdays this month in June. So, congratulations, kids. So, happy birthday, okay? Happy birthday to you. Okay, kids. Alright, so I wish you all the best, okay? And that you have celebrated with your family at home, happy and safe, okay? So, alright. Now I have something for you. Something special for you, Ali, Michelle, and Angel. Okay, so now this is for you, kids. Enjoy. And I really hope you like it. Okay, bye. Zoom out.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi.